Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery, back with another recipe for my How to Cook Vegan for Beginners series. And just in time for barbecue season, I want to share with you my best recipe for vegan potato salad. Super creamy with Yukon Gold potatoes, vegan mayo, and of course all spiced and veggied up with parsley, red onions, celery, and more. So check out how to make this very simple recipe that I know will become your fast favorite. You will need potatoes, and I know here I have red potatoes, and I actually switched it to Yukon Golds for the final recipe, and I do make a note about that on the written blog post, but of course you can use either potato that you like, but the Yukon Golds, in my opinion, give the best result. I also use fresh parsley, celery, sometimes scallions or red onion, or a mixture of both. Red bell pepper, sweet relish is optional, but I do like that little added sweetness. Vegan mayo, apple cider vinegar. I'm using black salt, also known as kalinamak, and that gives a slightly eggy taste for those who are used to having hard-boiled eggs in their potato salad. Celery seed, garlic powder, fresh cracked pepper, and smoked paprika. So just boil up the small diced potatoes, and I do leave the skins on mine too, but you can peel them if you prefer. Just cook them up until they're fork tender, and then I let them cool, but just slightly. I find that adding in all the other ingredients to hot potatoes will make everything absorb in, and the flavors just meld a lot better that way. So now just add everything in and mix it all up. Definitely taste it as you go and adjust the seasonings to your liking, and if you don't like relish or something that I added in here, just don't add it. If you need more salt and pepper, go for it. Some people do like to just sprinkle the paprika on top, whereas I like to mix it in. So, that's the beauty of cooking versus baking. You can pretty much make it any way you like, and you really won't mess it up. So that is my best vegan potato salad recipe. I love this so much that sometimes I eat just this for dinner. It is really so good. So if more easy beginner vegan recipes are what you're looking for, I do have a playlist below, and of course all the best vegan baking recipes too. So be sure to check out everything at gretchensveganbakery.com. And well, thanks for watching my video. I will see you guys again soon. Until then, happy vegan baking and cooking. Bye for now.